Seventh bit first problem 1 by x square into x plus 2. So here we have a two factors, one is x, another one is x plus 2, but x repeated 2 times, so that is why a by x plus b by x square plus c by x plus 2 equation 1. A, b, c are constant numbers. Now let's take the LCM. X square into x plus 2 is a LCM. So here x, but here x square, so then a into x plus 2. Next here x square and here also x square, then b into x plus 2 plus here x plus 2 and here x plus 2, so then c into x square. So we can cancel the both denominators, so then 1 equals to here ax into x plus 2 is ax square plus 2ax. Next to bx plus 2b plus cx square. So here to find out the ABC value, use general method. You can find ABC easily. So here we can take the x square common from this, x square bracket of a plus b and a plus c. Next from these two we can take x common, so then 2a plus b and the last term is 2b, so take this as a equation 2. See here, first of all let's find out the b value, because 2b is total constant numbers. So if you equating the constant number on both sides, what will happen? So left side constant number 1 and right side constant number is 2b. So from this b equals to how much? 1 by 2. Next one, equate the x coefficient on both sides. So left side x coefficient, there is a no x term, so x coefficient is 0, and here right side x coefficient is 2a plus b, but b value already completed, that is 1 by 2, substitute that. So 2a equals to 1 by 2, so minus 1 by 2 equals to 2a. So from this minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 equals to a. So then what is the a value? A value is minus 1 by 4. Now equate the x square coefficient on both sides. Left side no x square term, so then it is equals to 0, and right side a plus c. So left side 0, right side a plus c, because we are equating the x square coefficients on both sides. So 0 equals to a value is minus 1 by 4 plus c. So from this c value plus 1 by 4, because it is a negative, transpose to left side, it will become positive. So finally we got a value, b value, c value. Let's substitute these three values in equation 1. So the equation 1 is 1 by x square into x plus 2 equals to a by x plus b by x square plus c by x plus 2. So a value minus 1 by 4 divided by x plus b value 1 by 2 divided by x square plus c value is 1 by 4 divided by x plus 2. Let's simplify. Minus 1 by 4x plus 1 by 2 x square plus 1 by 4 bracket of x plus 2. So now the given fraction resolved into a partial fractions. Seventh bit second problem 1 by x square into x minus 2. So here y by x plus b by x square, because x repeated 2 times. Next c by x minus 2 equation 1. Next take the LCM. X square into x minus 2 is a LCM. So a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 2 plus c into x square. Now we can cancel the both denominators. So 1 equals to ax square minus 2ax. So here I simplified. B into x is bx minus 2b plus cx square. So use the general method. So here we can take the x square common. So x square into a plus c. Next from these two we can take x common. So plus x bracket of minus 2a plus b. Next last term is minus 2b equation 2. First find out the b value because we can equate the constant numbers on both sides easily. So left side constant number 1, right side constant number is minus 2b. From this b value is minus 1 by 2. Next, see, equate the x coefficient because we found b value. So using this we can find out the a value. So that is why equate the x coefficient on both sides. But here left side no x term, so then its coefficient will become 0, and the right side coefficient is minus 2a plus b, but b value is minus 1 by 2. So 0 minus 1 by 2 transpose to left side, then it will become plus 1 by 2 equals to minus 2a. So from this 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 equals to a, because minus 2 is multiplying, so then it will become minus 1 by 4. Next, equate the x square coefficients on both sides. So there is no x square term, so that is why its coefficient is 0. Right side x square coefficient is a plus c. So 0 equals to a value is minus 1 by 4 plus c. From this c value will become plus 1 by 4. Let's substitute these three values in the equation 1. So the given question is 1 by x square into x minus 2 equals to a by x plus b by x square plus c by x minus 2. So here a value is minus 1 by 4 divided by x plus b value is minus 1 by 2 divided by x square plus c value is 1 by 4 divided by x minus 2. So then it is equals to minus 1 by 4x, here plus or minus minus 1 by 2 x square plus 1 by 4 bracket of x minus 2. Next, third problem, 1 by x cube into x minus 2. A divided by x plus b divided by x square plus c divided by x cube, because x repeated 3 times, so, and d divided by x minus 2 equation 1. Now take the LCM. So here LCM is x cube into x minus 2. So here x, but here x cube, then a into x square into x minus 2. Next here x square, but here x cube, b into x minus 2. Next here x cube, then c into x minus 2 plus d into here x minus 2, d into x cube. Now we can cancel the both denominators, then equate the numerators. 1 into, see here, let's simplify, ax cube minus 2ax square. Next here bx square minus 2bx plus cx minus 2c plus dx cube. 1 equals to, here from these two terms we can take x cube common, so x cube bracket of a plus d, and from these two take the x square common, so x square bracket of minus 2a plus b. From these two x common, so x bracket of minus 2b plus c, and the last term is minus 2c. So first equate the constant number on both sides because we can find c value easily. Left side constant number is 1, right side constant number is minus 2c. So from this c value is minus 1 by 2. Next to equate the x coefficient on both sides. No x term left side, so then its coefficient is 0, and right side coefficient is minus 2b plus c. So 0 minus 2b, but c value is minus 1 by 2. So plus 1 by 2 equals to minus 2b. From this b value is minus 1 by 4. Now equate the x square coefficient on both sides. So here x square coefficient is 0 left side, and right side minus 2a plus b. So but b value is minus 1 by 4. 0 equals to minus 2a plus b value is minus 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 4 transpose to left side, plus 1 by 4 equals to minus 2a. So then a value is minus 1 by 8. Now equate the x cube coefficient on both sides. Here x cube coefficient is 0 and here x cube coefficient is a plus d, but a value is minus 1 by 8. So 0 equals to minus 1 by 8 plus d. From this d value is plus 1 by 8. Substitute these four values in equation 1. So a value is minus 1 by 8 divided by x, b value is minus 1 by 4 divided by x square, and c value is minus 1 by 2 divided by x cube. Next d value is 1 by 8 divided by x minus 2. So it is equals to minus 1 by 8x minus 1 by 4 x square minus 1 by 2 x cube plus 1 by 8 bracket of x minus 2. Fourth problem, x minus 1 divided by x square into x minus 3. So here a divided by x plus b divided by x square plus c divided by x minus 3, equation 1. So the LCM is x square into x minus 3. So a into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 3 plus c into x square. So both denominators are cancelled. So x minus 1 equals to ax square minus 3ax plus bx minus 3b plus cx square. So x minus 1 equals to, from these two take the x square common, a plus c, and from these two x common, so minus 3a plus b, and the last term is minus 3b. First equate the constant numbers on both sides. Here the constant number is minus 1 and here the constant number is minus 3b. Minus minus cancel, so then b equals to 1 by 3. Next one, equate the x coefficient on both sides. Here x coefficient is 1 and here the x coefficient is minus 3a plus b, but b value is 1 by 3. So here 1 minus 1 by 3 equals to minus 3a. So then 3 is a LCM, 3 minus 1 equals to minus 3a, 3 minus 1 is 2 by 3 equals to minus 3a. So from this a equals to, here minus 3 is multiplying, so when you transposing to left side it will go to denominator place, so minus 2 by 9. So a value is minus 2 by 9. Next equate the x square coefficient on both sides, but your left side no x square term, so then its coefficient is 0. So 0 equals to a value is minus 2 by 9 plus c. So from this c equals to plus 2 by 9. Substitute a, b, c values in equation 1. So a value is minus 2 by 9 divided by x plus b value is 1 by 3 divided by x square plus c value 2 by 9 divided by x minus 3. So minus 1 by 9x, minus 2 by 9x, 1 by 3x square plus 2 by 9 bracket of x minus 3. 8th bit, first problem containing two, one is a, another one b. So a1 is 9 by x minus 1 into x plus 2 whole square. So a divided by x minus 1 plus b divided by x plus 2, but here x plus 2 repeated 2 times, so that is why c divided by x plus 2 whole square, equation 1. Now take the LCM. So here the LCM is x minus 1 into x plus 2 whole square. So here x minus 1, here x minus 1, so then a into x plus 2 whole square. Next here x plus 2, here x plus 2 whole square, so then b into x minus 1 into x plus 2. Next here x plus 2 whole square, here also x plus 2 whole square, then c into x minus 1. Now both denominators are cancelled, so then equate the numerators. So 9 equals to a into x plus 2 whole square plus b into x minus 1 into x plus 2. Next to c into x minus 1. Here it is the equation 2. So in this particular question I am using the two methods, general method and suppression method. First equate the x minus 1 to 0. So x minus 1 to 0, then x equals to what? 1. Substitute x equals to 1 in equation 2. So 9 equals to a into 1 plus 2 whole square plus b into 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 2 plus c into 1 minus 1. 9 equals to a into 1 plus 2 is 3 whole square plus b into, here 1 minus 1 is 0. Next here 1 minus 1 0. Then 9 equals to 3 square, answer is 9. So 9a plus 0 plus 0. So 9 by 9 equals to a. So a value is 1. So here we got a value 1. Next equate x plus 2 equals to 0. So then x equals to minus 2. Substitute this x equals to minus 2 in equation 1. So a into minus 2 plus 2 whole square plus b into minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 plus c into minus 2 minus 1. So 9 equals to minus 2 plus 2 cancel, total 0, and here also minus 2 plus 2 cancel, total 0. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3c. 9 equals to minus 3c. So 9 by minus 3 equals to c. 3 ones are 3 threes are. So c equals to minus 3. So a value is 1 and c value minus 3. So we required one more constant number, that is b. But to get the b value, suppression method, instead of suppression method use general method. So in the general method definitely we need to simplify this equation 2. Okay, 9 equals to a into x plus 2 whole square, x square, a plus b whole square formula, x square plus 2 square plus 2ax, so 4x. Next here b into product of two binomials. So here x minus 1 into x plus 2. So x into x plus 2 minus 1 into x plus 2. X square plus 2x minus x minus 2. So x square plus x minus 2. Now c into x is cx minus c. So it is equals to 9 ax square plus 4a plus 4ax plus bx square plus bx minus 2b plus cx minus c. 9 equals to, here ax square bx square. So take the x square common, a plus b. Next to 4ax bx cx. So take the x common, 4a plus b plus c. Next remaining are constant numbers. So 4a minus 2b minus c. So to get the b value, either equate the x coefficient or equate the constant numbers. So I am equating the constant numbers. So 4a minus 2b minus c. 9 equals to 4 into a value is 1 minus 2b minus c value minus 3. 9 equals to 4 into 1 is 4 minus 2b plus 3. 9 equals to 4 plus 3 is 7 minus 2b. So 9 minus 7 equals to minus 2b. 2 equals to minus 2b. 2 by minus 2 equals to b. So finally the b value is minus 1. Let's substitute these three values in equation 1. So a value is 1 by x minus 1 plus b value is minus 1 by x plus 2 and c value is minus 3 divided by x plus 2 whole square. So 1 by x minus 1 plus or minus minus 1 by x plus 2, here plus or minus minus 3 by x plus 2 whole square. B question 3 by x minus 1 into x plus 2 whole square. So it is equals to a by x minus 1 plus p by x plus 2 plus c by x plus 2 whole square. So here x plus 2 repeated 2 times, so equation 1. Next to take the LCM, so LCM is x minus 1 into x plus 2 whole square. So then now we can cancel the both denominators, so then 3 equals to a into x plus 2 whole square. So equate x minus 1 equals to 0, so then x equals to 1. Substitute this x equals to 1 in the equation 2. So 3 equals to a into 1 plus 2 is 3 whole square plus b into 1 minus 1, it is total 0 and it is also 0. So 3 equals to a into 3 square is 9 plus 0 plus 0. So 3 by 9 equals to a. So then a equals to 1 by 3 answer. Next, equate denominator x plus 2 equals to 0, then x equals to minus 2. Substitute in equation 2. 3 equals to, here minus 2 plus 2 cancel, so total answer 0, and here also minus 2 plus 2 cancel 0. So here minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3c. So 3 equals to minus 3c, so 3 divided by minus 3 equals to c, then c equals to minus 1. So a value, c value completed. Now required b value. To get the b value we need to simplify this. So here I simplified. Now 3 equals to ax square plus 4a plus 4ax plus bx square plus bx minus 2b plus cx minus c. So 3 equals to, from these two take the x square common, so a plus b. So from 4ax and here bx cx, from this take the x common, so 4a plus b plus c. Next here 4a, next minus 2b, and here minus c. Equate the constant term on both sides. 3 equals to 4a minus 2b minus c. Let's substitute the a value and c value. So 4 into a value is 1 by 3 minus 2b minus c value minus 1. So 3 equals to 4 by 3 minus 2b plus 1. So now 3 minus 4 by 3 minus 1 equals to minus 2b. So here LCM is 3. 3 3 is a 9 minus 4 minus 3 equals to minus 2b. So then b value is minus 2 by 6. So a value is 1 by 3 divided by x minus 1 plus b value is minus 2 by 6 divided by x plus 2. Next c value minus 1 divided by x plus 2 whole square. So 1 by 3 into x minus 1. So minus 2 by 6 into x plus 2. Next here minus 1 by x plus 2 whole square. So here we can cancel 2 ones are 2 3s are. So the answer is 1 by 3 into x minus 1 minus 1 by 3 into x plus 2. 1 by 3 into x plus 2. So next minus 1 by x plus 2 whole square. So is the final answer. 8th question, second one, x square divided by x plus 2 whole square into x plus 1. So a by x plus 2. So here x plus 2 repeated 2 times. So b by x plus 2 whole square plus c by x plus 1, equation 1. Now take the LCM. So LCM is x plus 2 whole square into x plus 1. So here x plus 2, here x plus 2 whole square. So then a into x plus 2 into x plus 1 plus here x plus 2 whole square. So then b into x plus 1. Next here x plus 1, here also x plus 1. Then c into x plus 2 whole square. Both denominators are cancelled. So then x square equals to, so first denominator x plus 2 equals to 0. So then x equals to minus 2. Substitute this value in equation 2. So minus 2 whole square, a into minus 2 plus 2, minus 2 plus 1 plus b into minus 2 plus 1 plus c into minus 2 plus 2 whole square. Minus 2 whole square is 4 plus 2 minus 2 cancel, total 0. Here b into minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Minus 2 plus 2 cancel, so it is also 0. Now 4 equals to minus b, so then b equals to minus 4. Next, equate the denominator x plus 1 to 0 and find the x value minus 1. So minus 1 whole square, a into minus 1 plus 2, minus 1 plus 1 plus b into minus 1 plus 1 plus c into minus 1 plus 2 whole square. So minus 1 whole square is 1. So a into minus 1 plus 2 is 1, and here minus 1 plus 1 cancel, so its answer is total 0. So next here also minus 1 plus 1 cancel, answer is 0, and here c into minus 1 plus 2, 1 whole square, so 1 equals to c. So b value, c value completed. To get the a value, we need to simplify this. So here x square equals to a into, so its simplification is x square plus 3x plus 2, here bx plus b, here c into x square plus 4 plus 4x. Now x square equals to ax square plus 3ax plus 2a plus bx plus b plus cx square plus 4c plus 4cx. Now x square equals to, here ax square, cx square, take the x square common, so a plus c, here 3ax, bx, 4cx, so take the x common, 3a plus b plus 4c, next to here 2a, next to here b, next to here 4c. Now equate the x square coefficient on both sides. So here x square coefficient is 1 and here x square coefficient is a plus c, but what is the c value? We already completed, that is 1. So 1 minus 1 equals to a, so then a value is 0. So here a value is 0 divided by x plus 2 and b value is minus 4 divided by x plus 2 whole square, and c value is 1 divided by x plus 1. 0 divided by x plus 2 will become 0, so here minus 4 divided by x plus 2 whole square plus 1 by x plus 1. So the answer is minus 4 by x plus 2 whole square plus 1 by x plus 1. Third problem, x by x plus 1 into x minus 2 whole square. So a divided by x plus 1 plus b divided by, see here x minus 2 is repeated 2 times, so c divided by x minus 2 whole square, equation 1. Now take the LCM. So LCM is x plus 1 into x minus 2 whole square. Now cancel the both denominators, so then x equals to a into, so take it as a equation 2. So first here denominator x plus 1 equals to 0, so x equals to minus 1. So substitute x value in equation 2. So here minus 1, so a into minus 1 minus 2 whole square, b into minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus c into minus 1 plus 1. So here minus 1, a into minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3 whole square, plus 1 minus 1 cancel 0, here plus 1 minus 1 cancel 0. Minus 1 equals to minus 3 whole square is 9, so minus 1 by 9 equals to a. Next to second denominator x minus 2, so equals to 0, so then x equals to 2, so substitute x equals to 2 in equation 2, so 2 here a into 2 minus 2 whole square plus b into 2 plus 1. So here 2 minus 2 plus c into 2 plus 1. So 2 equals to plus 2 minus 2 cancel 0. So here plus 2 minus 2 cancel 0. So c into 3. 2 equals to 3c. So 2 by 3 equals to c. So a value, c value completed. So to get the b value, we need to simplify this equation. So a into here a minus b whole square formula. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. Next let's simplify this. So its simplification is x square minus x minus 2. Next is cx plus c. So next x equals to a multiplied inside ax square 4a minus 4ax. Next here bx square minus bx minus 2b plus cx plus c. Now x equals to here ax square bx square, take the x square common, so a plus b. Next here 4ax bx cx, so take the x common, so minus 4a minus b, so plus c. Next constant numbers 4a. Next here the constant number minus 2b, one more constant number plus c. So here to get the b value, either equate the constant number, otherwise equate the coefficient of x. So coefficient of x is available, so that is 1 here. Next here coefficient is minus 4a minus b plus c. So 1 equals to minus 4 into a value is minus 1 by 9. Next to minus b, and here c value is 2 by 3. So 1 equals to minus 4 into 1 minus 1 by 9 is plus 4 by 9 minus b plus 2 by 3. So minus b transpose to left side plus b. So 4 by 9 plus 2 by 3 and 1 transpose to RHS side. 1 can write as a 1 by 1. So now the 9 is LCM. So 4, 3 2s are 6 minus 9. 4 plus 6 10. 10 minus 9 is 1 by 9. So the b value is 1 by 9. Let's substitute a, b, c values in equation 1. Let's substitute a, b, c values. So a value is minus 1 by 9 divided by x plus 1. B value is 1 by 9 divided by x minus 2. C value is 2 by 3 divided by x minus 2 whole square. So minus 1 by 9 into x plus 1 plus 1 by 9 into x minus 2 plus 2 by 3 into x minus 2 whole square.